everyone, thanks for stopping in at my channel. This is Sandra. I'm going to be doing just a straight pour, I think is what I'm going to do. I usually have a plan to do flowers or something like that, but I figured I was going to do a straight pour and see how it turns out. I've got a mixture of different paints I'm going to do. I just mixed up a new phthalo green by Liquitex. It's a really pretty green. I don't know if you can see it very well this far away from the camera, but I'm going to try that color with probably my deep turquoise from Liquitex as well, and my Arteza's Bordeaux red, which is really pretty red. So I'm just going to kind of mix it up a little bit and see what happens. Usually I have white down on my canvas. This one is a 14 by 14. I'm going to try it without putting the base coat down first and see if that changes anything with the way it pours on the canvas. We'll see. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would be very much appreciated. And of course, everybody that knows when you come back and watch videos, I always thank the regulars. Thank you so much for keep coming back. And please keep those comments coming. I really do enjoy reading them when I see all the wonderful comments. Okay, let's get this started. So I'm going to start filling up this cup with some paint. And I think I'm not going to start with white actually. I think I'm going to start with my deep turquoise. Let's do that one first. I'm just going to start layering some color in here. And how about some of my purple? This one is the Dioxazine purple. Very pretty purple. And some burgundy that I just made up myself. Let's see if that will be a good mix. Okay, now I think I need to add some white in there. And then we're going to do some of the Arteza's Bordeaux red. Then let's do some of this phthalo green. A little bit more white. And I've also got some phthalo blue, I think it's called. Hold on, let me check my lid here. Yeah, phthalo blue. Perfect. And let's do a little bit more white. Definitely got a full cup of paint happening here. Some more of the deep turquoise because it's one of my new favorites. And let's do a little bit more of the Bordeaux red. Okay. I'm going to do lid on my blue so I don't end up spilling it everywhere, because I can't be trusted. My green's almost empty, so I'm not going to worry too much about that one. And let's do some purple. You know what? I'm going to do white and then I'm going to do purple. Okay, white, purple, and I'd say that's a full cup of paint right there. Okay, so a straight pour, I'm just going to pour it straight down, maybe side to side, a couple of areas. We'll see. Lots of bubbles in there. I'll be torching this for sure. very pretty colors. Okay. Now I'm going to give it a quick torch. Look at all the bubbles popping there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's lots of bubbles. Okay. Now let's just give it a little bit of a tilt and see if we see any cool patterns happening before I add some white to my base. I think I'm going to add my white, but first I'm just going to draw on it a little bit. I don't know if that's going to help or not, but let's try. Okay, let's put some white down. I usually always have a white base down, so this is kind of different for me. But I always like to try new things, so let's see what happens. Okay. Got a really pretty pattern in there that I did with the end of my paintbrush. Sorry if you're going to see the back of the canvas. I'll try and get it back in the frame quickly. I know you're supposed to pour slowly, but I sometimes don't have as much patience as I should for this. And I hope you've hit the subscribe button, because I definitely need all the help I can get. Ooh, I'm going to tilt this way a little bit more because I'm liking what's coming up here. Okay, I'm just going to stop for a sec. That's gorgeous. Okay, this corner needs a little bit of help. So we can get some of that corner covered. Oh, I don't want to lose my design here. Might have to take the color from my table here. Okay, hold on. Let me just turn this and see what it's doing on that side. Gorgeous. Okay, I think I'm going to tilt some more this way. That is really cool looking. I definitely got to give it a torch. See what's going to happen with these bubbles in here, if there's any cell action. Excuse me, this is my favorite part right in here. And I see some cells happening already. You know what? I forgot to put my glasses on. I did that without my glasses again. Okay. Get these bubbles out. Okay, I'm going to turn it back this way. So decide which way I like the best. That does look really cool. I think I'm going to tilt it this way a little bit more. I know you can't see it, but I'm just getting the corner poured off a little bit more. There we go. I really like that design in there. Do I mess with it or do I leave it? I don't know. Do I want to add flowers or anything on that? You know what? I think I'm going to let this dry as is and decide after it's dry if I want to add anything. I can always do it with a paintbrush after, because I do really like how this turned out. Alright, I think we're going to call that a 10-minute masterpiece. Quick little pour, and it's just awesome. Alright, thanks everyone for joining me. That was a quick video. Again, please hit the subscribe button and the bell right beside it, notifications, so that you can get notified anytime I upload a video. And it's free to do. There's no charge to subscribe or anything like that. And it would help me out very much. Thanks everyone. Hey, so knowing me, this is my last minute decision to add a couple of flowers. So I did a couple of big ones here. I'm just going to add a couple of small ones. Just because I felt like it needed some flowers. There we go. Alrighty, I like that. This red needs a little bit of help. I need some red there. Too much of the color blended there. Oop. So this is just a quick add-on to my video. I just felt like it just needed a little bit more gorgeous. Okay, let me give it a quick little torch. Okay, now I'm leaving it. I'm not going to mess with it anymore, and I'm not going to tilt it. I'll take a picture and post it as my thumbnail so you can get a better look at it. Alright, there we go. Thanks again very much everyone for joining me. Please hit subscribe. Come back and visit again. Thanks.